In today's digital world, search engines like Google are the gatekeepers of information. When people want to find products, services, or answers, they turn to search. This makes search engine optimization, or SEO, and search engine marketing, or SEM, essential for any business looking to thrive online. Understanding how people find your website through search is critical for driving traffic and achieving your online goals. This is where SEO and SEM come in. SEO is all about improving your website's visibility in organic, non-paid search results. It's a long-term strategy that focuses on building your website's authority and relevance for specific keywords. There are three main types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your website itself, such as your content, title tags, and meta descriptions, to make them more appealing to search engines. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority through external signals like backlinks from other reputable websites. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and site architecture, to ensure that search engines can crawl and index it effectively. SEO is essential for businesses of all sizes because it helps you attract more qualified traffic to your website. When you rank higher in search results, you increase your visibility to potential customers who are actively searching for products or services like yours. This increased visibility can lead to more leads, sales, and brand awareness. Unlike paid advertising, SEO can provide sustainable, long-term results, making it a cost-effective investment for businesses looking to grow online. Section 4. SEM demystified: from pay-per-click to remarketing. SEM, on the other hand, involves using paid advertising to increase your visibility on search engine results pages, or SERPs. The most common type of SEM is pay-per-click advertising, where you bid on keywords related to your business. When someone searches for those keywords, your ad may appear at the top or bottom of the SERP. SEM also includes other forms of paid advertising, such as display ads and remarketing campaigns. Remarketing allows you to target users who have previously visited your website with personalized ads, increasing the chances of conversion. Section 5. SEO versus SEM, a detailed comparison. While both SEO and SEM aim to increase your visibility on search engines, they differ significantly in their approach, cost, and results. Cost: SEO is generally considered a more cost-effective long-term strategy, while SEM involves ongoing advertising costs. Speed: SEM can deliver immediate results as your ads appear as soon as your campaigns are live. SEO takes time to show results, often several months. Sustainability: SEO builds organic authority and traffic that can last long-term, while SEM traffic stops when you stop paying for ads. Click-through rate, or CTR. Despite lower CTR, SEO often drives more qualified traffic, resulting in higher conversion rates. Section 6. Practical strategies: when to prioritize SEO or SEM. Deciding whether to prioritize SEO or SEM depends on your business goals, budget, and timeline. Prioritize SEO if you're looking for long-term, sustainable growth and have the time to invest in building organic authority. Prioritize SEM if you need immediate results, have a limited budget for testing, or are launching a time-sensitive campaign. Section 7. Conclusion: a powerful digital marketing duo. In conclusion, SEO and SEM are both valuable tools in your digital marketing arsenal. SEO builds long-term organic visibility and authority, while SEM provides immediate results and targeted reach. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each strategy allows you to craft a comprehensive approach that maximizes your online presence and drives business growth. By combining SEO and SEM effectively, you can achieve a powerful synergy that amplifies your brand's visibility, reaches your target audience, and drives sustainable success in the digital landscape.